And like I said, we found some upper cervical restrictions right in here. Relax here for me. Relax here. Very good. Very good movement. Okay. Relax here. Excellent. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Very good.
Nice and relaxed here. Just let it go right there. Good. You okay? Mm-hmm. Good. Let's switch sides. That's extremely tight in your neck. Yeah. He doesn't want to move at all. More flexion here. I had to adjust the table, by the way, because his neck is so much in flexion that I can't get it to neutral without putting him in a different position. Good, right there. Good. Good.
Right here, we're gonna get right on C5 and just make a nice little adjustment right there.
Taking compression stress off his spine, the disc, the joints, the nerves, and the y-axis. Take a deep breath through your nose. Relax it all out. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the normal reaction we get.
All right, so we'll go ahead and do that neck adjustment now. I'm just going to tip your head over to the left side. Have you relax nice and heavy. Very good. Really great movement out of that joint. That feel okay?
Felt great.
Same thing on the left over here.
Let's go in. Good. You okay?
Yeah, okay.
Good. Let's switch sides. This way. See, it's already starting to go. You can feel it going. Okay. Is that sweat I feel coming off your head?
Yeah.
Good. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, come back around again, please. Really good.
Okay, I want you to take a deep breath in, all the way out, lean back and face up. Very good. Okay, relax right there. Let's have your arms right in here. You're gonna interlock your fingers right there, right in here, elbows together. I want you to look up for me. Take a deep breath out, in, completely exhale, and relax. Very good. Okay. Relax right here for me. I want you to lean your head right over here. Very good. Good. Relax right in here. Very good. Okay. Let me have